Former Prime Minister of India Sri Jawaharlal Nehru 1947 to 1964, Sri Gujrarilal Nanda Acting Prime Minister 1964, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri 1964 to 1969, Sri Gujrarilal Nanda Acting Prime Minister for second term 1966, Mrs. Indira Gandhi 1966 to 1977, Sri Morarji Desai 1977 to 1979, Sri Charan Singh 1979 to 1980, Mrs. Indira Gandhi second term 1980 to 1984, Sri Rajiv Gandhi 1984 to 1989, Sri Vishwanath Pratap Singh 1989 to 1990, Sri Chandra Shekhar 1990 to 1991, Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao 1991 to 1996, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee 1996, Sri H.D. Devgowda 1996 to 1997, Sri Inder Kumar Gujral 1997 to 1998, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee second term 1998 to 2004, Dr. Manmohan Singh 2004 to 2014.